In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export ClickUp tutorial. We'll walk through exporting a specific view straight to Excel, then I'll show you an alternative full space export from settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what options to choose, and how to open your export in Excel. Start by heading to clickup.com. Select Login, then choose Continue with Google, and pick your Google account to sign in. Once you're in, open the space that contains the folder or list you want to export. I'll open a project here as an example. Inside your list or project view, click Customize. From the menu, choose Export View. You'll see options for CSV and Excel. CSV is great for broad compatibility, but today we'll use Excel so your columns and formatting open neatly in a spreadsheet. Next, pick All Columns to make sure every visible field from your view is included. If you want a quick summary, select Total by Status so the export includes a handy roll-up of tasks by their status. When those options look good, click Download and let the file save to your computer. Now, switch over to your Excel workspace. Click Upload a file, find the export you just downloaded, and open it. You should see your tasks, columns, and the status totals you included. This is a quick way to pull just what you're looking at in ClickUp into a spreadsheet. Let's look at the other method, which is great when you want a broader export. Go back to ClickUp Home, click your profile or name icon in the top right, and open Settings. In the sidebar, go to Imports, Exports, and choose Export Items. Click Select Location, pick the space you want to export, and then Start Export. ClickUp will prepare the file. When it's ready, choose Download Export to save it. Return to Excel, and click Upload a file again. Select the new export you downloaded, and open it to view everything included from that space. This approach is ideal for archiving or migrating a larger set of items. To wrap up, you've seen two reliable paths: exporting your current view for a focused snapshot, and exporting from settings for a broader capture by space. If the export takes a moment, that's normal. Larger workspaces can take longer to prepare. Make sure you have permission to export in your workspace, and always review the data once it's in Excel to confirm the columns and totals you selected are present. Thanks for following along, and feel free to replay sections as you work through your own export.